بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. If you understand that statement and you say it correctly, Allah will grant you the ability to go through what He has chosen for you. And you always need to be happy at the decree of Allah. When a person converts to Islam or reverts to Islam, we make them utter the Shahada. We make them say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness there is none worthy of worship besides Allah. I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah. They say it by tongue. They should be believing it by their heart. When they believe it by the heart, they are called a mu'min, iman. Notice when you say the pillars of Islam, people mention the 5 pillars. These 5 pillars, they are easy to see because they are more actions. So you have your utterance of the Shahada, you have your 5 daily prayers, you have your zakah, you have your psalm or fasting. People can see you're giving charity, people can see you're abstaining from food, and people can see that you've gone for Hajj. These are things that people can see. That's Islam. Islam, to submit to Allah. You've submitted physically, but has your heart submitted to Allah?